Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, ating mga cross-watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magus PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now, in today's video, Gemini, alamin natin kung ano magiging, ano yung mga future energies ninyo. Now, paalala lang, Gemini, by the way, bago natin tatalakayin or bago natin alamin yung mga future energies mo, Gemini, titignan natin o alamin natin no, yung mga past at present energies ninyo to confirm that this is your reading. Now, again, lagi ko yung papalahanin, lahat po ng tarot readings ko dito ay general reading. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Okay, so if ever man na hindi maganda ang magiging kalabasan, hindi maganda ang future energies ninyo, hindi nyo nagustuhan for some reason, pangit, okay? Magsilbing gabay lang po sana, no? Na lagi nating tandaan na hindi lahat ng kapalaran ay magaganda. Sad to say, ang buhay natin hindi all the time masaya. Ang buhay natin, balance. May kalungkutan, may trahedya, problema. That's life. Okay? So, if ever man na lumabas sa future energies ninyo ay hindi maganda, at least mapaghandaan ninyo at ano mga dapat ninyong gawin para malagpasan or ma-prevent na hindi mangyayari. Alright, so yan, umpisa na natin. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Past, present, and future energies ng ating mga Geminis. By the way, Geminis, if you're looking for bracelets like this exactly like what I am wearing right now, just head on to my Facebook page, Bonum Magus PH, for more crystal bracelet like this. Okay? Hindi ko pa to na-upload sa aking website kasi mostly yung mga nailalagay ko sa website or I make sure na maraming stocks doon. Okay? Pag mga limited stocks, mostly pinopost ko sa Facebook page ko. Okay? Ayan. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Past, present, and future energies. Alright, Gemini. Past energy. In the past, you have the Ace of Wands. I feel like in the past, Gemini, you were, kasi past, naging determinado kayo sa inyong career. Meron kayong inumpisahan. You were so focused with your goal. Okay, may opportunity na darating related sa career. And for those of you, I feel like nag-uumapaw ang inyong passion, nag-uumapaw ang inyong determination at creativity. Now, for some of you in the past, meron kayong nakikilalang tao, babae man or lalaki, na sobra kayong na-attract. Okay? And sobrang yung chemistry, strong. Ace of Wands kasi this is like malakas ang hila ng energy sa iyo. Malakas ang sex appeal, malakas ang charming, napakalakas ng enerhiya na hindi mo mahihindian. Right? Attract ka sa taong ito, or maybe you got also attracted to an opportunity. Right? Okay, now next energy in the past, King of Swords, some of you Gemini, meron kayong naisip na idea or lagi kayong nag-overthink in the past, focus kayo sa mga goal ninyo, and meron kayong may situation or may tao na hindi nawawala sa isipan ninyo. Okay. I feel like also in the past, meron kayong nakaaway verbally nagkakasagutan kayo. And I feel like in the past, may nangyaring misunderstanding through communication. Through communication, either meron kang nabitawang hindi maganda sa isang tao. Meron kang nabitawang mga salita na hindi mo na mababawi. Okay. Next, in the past, may nangyaring conflict, may nangyaring gulo in the past. I feel like in the past, may nag-clash na energies. Either sa work, sa relationships, sa mismong bahay, magkakapamilya, nag-away-away in the past. Okay. Past energy, again, you have the Three of Pentacles. Meron din namang nangyaring maganda within your community in the past. I feel like some of you, Gemini, you were welcomed within a community. Okay, naramdaman mo I think some of you, you found, natagpuan mo yung tribe mo. Natagpuan mo yung isang grupo kung saan masasabing mo, this is my group. This is where I belong. I feel like for some of you, Gemini, naramdaman mo na for the first time in your life in the past, you felt belong. Parang naramdaman mo first time in your life na dito ko lang naramdaman sa buhay ko kung saan I feel belong. I feel welcome. I'm seen, nakikita ako. Magandang pakikisama ng mga tao sa akin. Kinakukumpara mo kasi. And also, there was a big celebration that happened in the past. In the past, okay ang pagkakaibigan, pagsasamahan. Okay? Yan ang nakikita kong past energies. Let's take a look at the present energies. At the present moment, you have the King of Cups. I feel like right now, at the present moment, you are emotionally overwhelmed. What do you mean emotionally overwhelmed? You are very sensitive at the moment, Gemini. And emotionally, you're troubled. Emotionally attacked. There's something about your emotions na basta emotionally overwhelmed ka. Ang daming nangyaring hindi masabi yung hindi nakakayanan ng puso ko. Parang kakayanin pa ba ng puso ko? Okay. And also some of you Gemini, there is also the energy kung saan masama ang loob mo with someone. There's energy na masama ang loob mo. There's also the feeling of regret. Because King of Cups is a king of emotions. Either love yan, either hindi mo maintindihan ng nararamdaman mo. There's also something about that. I'm just following my intuition. Next, present energy. The present energy, Gemini, there is this something is either, ang temperance kasi, either giving you peace of mind or either out of balance ka at the moment. And talking about emotions, ayan yung si Archangel Michael, inahalo niya yung cup. I think there's really misunderstanding that is happening verbally. Like, may hindi pagkakaunawaan ng dahil sa miscommunication. Hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Iba yung pagka-interpret niya sa sinabi mo o ikaw din, di mo rin naintindihan yung sinabi ng isang tao sa'yo. There's something about that, hindi kayo nagmi-mix. There's misunderstanding na nangyayari either sa workplace, sa relationship, or within family. Ganyan. At the present moment, Gemini, there is this surrendering. I feel like a lot of you Gemini at the present moment, you're just surrendering everything to God. Like, susurrender ko na lahat. Bahala na. Parang ito yung energy na bahala na si Batman. But actually, yung term na yan is parang bahala na si God. I'm surrendering it. I'm releasing it to God. Ipapasa Diyos ko na. Ito yung energy ng judgment. Okay? And at the present moment, you have the Page of Swords. At the present moment, you're very curious about someone or about something. You're trying to find out more information about something. Meron kang gustong matukoy about a certain specific situation. This could be pertaining to job, this could be pertaining to someone, this could be pertaining to a certain situation. Pero meron kang gustong malaman pa. You already have some information, but you want to know more about this person, about the situation, about this job, about this something. You're curious. You are. Some of you are also looking for answers, searching the internet, looking at the books, also asking for legal advice. Pages of Swords, page kasi this is trying to find out the situation, something like that. Let's take a look at your future energies, Gemini. Now, again sinasabi ko, Gemini, if ever na hindi nyo magustuhan yung kakalabasan ng future energies ninyo, please bear in mind na, again, hindi sa lahat ng panahon, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, magaganda lahat ng kapalaran natin. Let's face it, life is like that. Walang perpektong buhay. Okay? Magsilbing gabay lang sana if ever na hindi maganda ang kalalabasan ng future energies mo. At if ever hindi nyo nagustuhan, pangit yung lumabas sa baraha, at least, mapaghandaan ninyo. Again, magsilbing gabay lang sana. And besides that, hindi ko mention yung names ninyo. Hindi ako sinabi na, ito mangyayari to kay Maria. Ito mangyayari to kay, kay Benedict. Or ito mangyayari kay Josefina. Whatever. Walang pangalan dito yung nakaukit sa inyo. Walang pangalan ninyo dito na nakaukit. Okay? Alright, future energies. Nine of Swords. Ito na nga ba? Eight of Swords. So, in the near future, mukhang there is energy kung saan magpapanik ka, Gemini. Makakaranas ka ng negative thinking, makakaranas ka ng fears and doubts, pag-aanilangan. And the fact, ito kasing Eight of Swords, nasa mindset lang kasi natin to. So, I feel like in the near future, future energies mo is magiging negative ang outlook mo sa buhay. I think it's because feeling mo kasi wala nang ibang solusyon. Hindi ka na makakahanap ng solusyon. Feeling mo kasi na-trap ka na. Feeling mo kasi walang-wala ng pag-asa. Naka-blindfold ka lang kasi. Hindi mo lang kasi nakikita na actually akala mo hindi ka na makakalusot. Pero hindi mo kasi nakikita na pwede mo, ayan dito lang sa likod mo nakahalang yung mga swords. Pero actually, pwede kang makalusot. So, ibig sabihin nito, in the future, siguro may problemang pagsubok o problema na darating sa buhay ninyo, pamilya mo. Akala mo wala nang ibang solusyon. Nagpapanik ka na, nagagalit ka na, nawawalan ka ng pag-asa, puro na lang negative ang iba-iba nang naiisip mo na hindi na maganda. Hindi mo kasi nakikita ang buong sitwasyon. Hindi mo nakikita yung buong scenario. Hindi mo nakikita yung buong picture. Kasi naka-blindfold ka. Meaning, metaphorically, hindi mo nakikita. You don't have the clarity to see the situation. Makitid ang utak mo siguro, okay, for some of you. So, lawakan ninyo and get out of that negative thoughts, pattern. Okay? Yan ang mensahe. Alright, next energy, future energy, you have the Nine of Wands. Gemini, in the future mukhang dala din siguro ng stress. Kaya pala, at the present moment, there's a need to balance your life. Because in the near future, may stress ka talaga, may overwhelm ka. Huwag kang praning, mapapraning ka. Yung energy na yan, praning siya. Akala niya, gumagawa siya ng bakod kasi feeling niya mananakawan. Pagkapraning yan paranoid feeling, paranoid energy na parang baka mamaya may sa akin, ganun, parang paranoid. So in the future, I don't know anong reason kung bakit kaya mapapraning ka. At least mapaghandaan mo to. At least, so, anong mga dapat mong gawin para ma-prevent itong mga future energies na posibleng mangyari? So, do something. Take some action na hindi totally mangyari to. Hindi magmamanifesto sa inyo in the future na mapapraning ka. Yan ang purpose ng mga ganito. Okay? Next energy, you have the Two of Swords. In the future, some of you, mahirapang makapili ng tamang desisyon. Lagi kang naka-blindfold. Ito na naman naka-blindfold. I think you really need to do some grounding, Gemini, to clear your mind. To clear your mind, spend some time in nature, do some grounding work. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Mag-nature walk ka. Makinig ka ng mga music, mag-relax ka para magkaroon ka ng clarity. Mag-sage burning ka. Huwag ka mag-isip ng masyado kasi dito pa lang, no wonder, kaya ang sinasabi, what you do right now will have a great impact in your future. Okay? Next, future energy, you have the Eight of Wands. Okay, well, at least makaka-receive ka ng good news in the future. Makaka-receive ka ng good news. I feel like also in the future, may nakikita akong paglalakbay. May travel. Ang bilis ng takbo. Mabilis ang proseso for those of you who are questioning or inquiring about the process of your visa. Whatever pinaprocess niyo, mabilis ang takbo in the near future. Mabilis ang result makukuha ninyo. And also, I see some travel. Either long distance, domestic, or international travel. Di ko alam exactly kung kailan mangyayari ito. Basta future energies. Okay? And also, makaka-receive ka ng news. Either good or bad. But mostly, this is good news. Okay? So, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang mga future energies ninyo. Let me know if nagustuhan ninyo by liking this video. And let me also know if nag-resonate to sa inyo or hindi. And for those of you who want to claim the good energies na narinig nyo dito, you can also do so by leaving a comment below. Now, Gemini, if you are interested na magpahula ng libre, okay, gaganapin lang dito lang sa YouTube, hindi sa Facebook page. Huwag kayong magme-message sa akin sa Messenger, hindi ako mag-entertain. Masasayang lang ang effort niyo nagme-message kayo sa akin sa Messenger. Hindi po ako nagpapahula through chat. Nagpapahula lang ako ng libre through YouTube live. Dati doon sa Facebook page, Facebook ko dati during FB Live. Ngayon binago ko na dito na sa YouTube. Okay? So, once a week lang, either Saturday or Sunday, morning, hindi afternoon, hindi gabi. Kasi fresh, pure pa ang energy sa umaga, kaya mapipick up ko. Kasi sa hapon o gabi, marami na ako mapipick up na energy and then maghalo-halo na. Okay? And pagod na ako niyan. So, to make sure na ma-notify kayo pag meron akong YouTube live para sa Living Pahula, make sure na nakapag-subscribe kayo and then you click on the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga cellphones ninyo na, ay, may libreng pahula ngayon si Ma'am Bonam, okay, sa YouTube. Ayan. And for those of you, Gemini, if you're curious, if you want to know my products, ano yung mga produktong binibenta ko, like this one, okay, mga crystal, mga jewelries, mostly crystal necklace jewelries, sage, palo santo, candle, mga evil eye candle, ginamit ko na yung sa akin, bath salt, marami pa. All products are listed on my website, www.bonamagos.com. Now, for more instruction, for more information, how to place an order, paano makabili, I'll give you an instruction on how to do that. Pag magbabalik ako, saglit lang, okay, para sa instruction. So, huwag muna kayong aalis. Okay, magpapaalam ako ngayon, magbabalik ako saglit. I'll be right back. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. I hope to see you again next time. Ingat po and God bless. Hello! Ayan, so mga interesado pong makita yung mga produkto ko, ayan, lahat po ay nakalista or all of my products are listed on my website. So, paano po mahanap ang aking website? You just type here, kunyari, ito yung phone mo. If you are using Google, ayan, i-type nyo lang sa search bar, ayan, type nyo lang yung www.bonommagos.com and then click search. Okay, lalabas po yan. First, you have to accept all. Click the accept all cookies. Ayan. So, dito nyo makikita yung mga produkto ko. Ito yung unang bubungan sa inyo sa website. Nakikita nyo yung dalawang linya dyan sa taas. I-click nyo yan para makita nyo yung navigation pages. Yung navigation ng mga menu or pages. Dyan, nandyan yung home page. Okay, makikita nyo dito yung home page, yung biography ko, yung tarot services and more. Andyan yung prayers, bracelets, and amulets. Yung 18K gold-plated crystal necklace, yung crystal bracelet for men and women, yung mga oils, candle, sage and bath, eye amulet. So, andyan din po yung aking Facebook page link. I-click nyo lang ito. Kunyari, gusto nyong makilala ako. So, punta kayo sa biography. Click nyo yung biography na yan. Automatic, may ibang lalabas na isang page. So, andyan. Basahin nyo lang yan. Makikita nyo yung aking educational background, yung mga courses na tinake ko. Ayan, hindi ko pa nalagay yung certificates ko dyan. Soon, I will also include here, ilalagay ko din dito yung mga certificates ko. Okay? Ayan. So, medyo mahaba-haba yan. Punta na naman tayo sa Tarot Services and More. I-click nyo lang yan. Okay, lalabas dyan. I-explain kung bakit 15K yung all-in-one spiritual package tarot services ko. Andyan yung description. Basahin nyo lang dyan kung bakit 15K. And for those of you who are interested sa spell jars, andito rin. Ayan. Mag-message lang kayo sa akin sa Facebook page. Okay? Now, to make sure na ako pong nafa-follow nyo sa Facebook page at hindi yung mga scammers, andito po yung link. I-click nyo lang yung Facebook page. Ayan, i-click nyo. Lalabas po yung Facebook page ko. Okay? Next, punta tayo sa Evil Eye Amulets. Okay. Andito yung description, ano yung mga Evil Eye Amulets, para saan, anong benefits. So, andyan nakasulat. Now, if gusto nyo ng bracelet, ito yung pyrite. Yung iba pronunciation pyrite. Pyrite, okay, 1,980 each, may kasamang freebies. Andyan yung description, andyan yung explanation, ano mga benefits, ano mga uses, instructions kung paano gamitin or paano how to take care of your jewelries. Andyan yung Evil Eye. I-click natin yung picture. Okay. Yan yung price, 390. Andito rin yung nakasulat yung mga prices. Now, if hindi nyo alam paano bumili dito, okay? Kung wala kayong PayPal, just take a screenshot of this item. Screenshot nyo to at ipadala nyo po sa akin sa Facebook page. I-message nyo po sa akin dito. Okay, na yan ang mga gusto nyong kunin. Para pag gusto nyong bumili, para alam ko yung gusto nyong bilhin. Dito nyo titignan sa website ko yung mga items. I also have mga crystal bracelet for men and women. Hindi pa nakumpleto yan, pero soon makukumpleto na. So, each picture, i-click nyo lang para makita nyo yung mga description, anong mga benefits. This one is 500, yung malachite with rose quartz. Ayan. And also ask if available pa mga madam ha, kasi sa website minsan hindi ko na-update yung website ko. Minsan meron doon nakalagay sold out pero available. Minsan nakalagay na available pero sold out. Okay, just ask kung available pa. Again, take screenshot of the item. Yan, screenshot nyo yan at ipadala nyo sa akin sa Facebook page ko. Along with the price, kung meron price, ayan. Take screenshot of the item. What else? I also have mga oils. Okay, oils and candles. I have kajiput. I-click nyo lang yung mga picture na yan to see the description and the prices. Ayan. Always click here. Marami pa kayong madidiscover. And for prayers, libre lang ang mga, ko dito, mga prayer. Pwede nyong tignan, pwede nyong kopyahin, pwede nyong screenshot, pwede nyong libre lang dito tumingin ng mga prayers ko. Libre ninyong ma-access. Kagaya niyan, all-in-one red string prayer. Sa mga nakabili ng all-in-one red string, dito nyo makikita yung mga prayers at sa mga ibang items. Okay? Yan lang muna ang na-include ko ngayon. Soon, all will be included there. At sa mga 18 gold-plated crystal necklace, andyan yung mga pictures. Just take a screenshot. Like kung gusto nyo yung rose quartz, take a screenshot of this item at isend you again sa akin sa Facebook page. No, andyan yung price, 390 po. 390 na po. Dating 500. Mikana quality yung mga yan ha, mga madam, sa mga nakakabili ng Mikana. Ganyan po ang quality. The same with Mikana. I think that's all it. Marami pa actually, mga bracelet. I have also jade. Mga jade dito. Ayan. This is to prove na talagang quality. Tignan nyo yung video dyan. Ayan, yung video. Nakalagay yung mga video dyan to really to see. Para makita nyo yung quality ng jade ko. Okay. Ayan yung description. Take a screenshot of the item na gusto nyo kunin at basahin nyo yung mga yan, mga madam. Diyan nakalagay yung mga uses and benefits. Ayan, yan dyan yung all-in-one bread string. And dito yung Rui. Okay, marami pa akong i-include dito. Wala lang akong time. And that's it. Okay? So, ayan yung Facebook page. Isend nyo lang sa akin dito sa Facebook page ko. Bono Magus, yung mga screenshot ninyo, mga item na gusto nyong bilhin. So, ayan po ang instruction kung paano maka-order. Wala pong COD, mga madam, ha? And by the way, okay, for more information, please also don't forget to read the frequently asked questions. Andito na lahat yung mga posible ninyong katanungan sa akin. Bakit walang COD? Kailan marireceive? Ano yung mga ritual? Lahat na dito yung mga questions, possible questions, mga frequently asked questions, mga laging tinatanong ng mga customer ko. Andito, basahin niyo para baka same din kayo ng katanungan. Dito na yung mga sagot. Okay? Sa frequently asked questions. So, that's it mga madam. Maraming salamat mga madam and sir. Thank you so much for listening for the instructions on how to place an order. Ingat po and God bless.